Hey guys, what's up? Jai Hind. This is Ananya, your SST Master Teacher here at Vedantu. How are you all? I hope you people are taking very good care of yourself. So, guys, first of all, if you people are new to this channel, let me welcome you guys to the family of Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and show some love by hitting the like button. Thank you so much in advance. All right. So, guys, what are we going to do in this particular session? Guys, in this particular session, we are going to start with the new chapter that is going to be the climate of India. Guys, this chapter is really very important. So make sure that you guys are staying with me till the end of this session and till the end of each and every session. All right. All right. So let's get started, guys, without any further delay. No. Guys, first of all, most of the students get confused between the difference between climate and weather. All right, they get confused between climate and weather, and most of the time they use these two terms in the same situation. मतलब कभी कभी बोलते थे climate is changing, the weather is changing. Guys, try to understand. The meaning of these two terms are totally different. And let me guarantee you guys, today after this session, your confusion between climate and weather will be solved. You will have no confusion between what is climate and what is weather. So stay with me till the end of this session. All right? Chalo, start karte guys. Guys, first of all, try to understand if you want to understand this chapter, if you want to understand this topic climate, you need to understand one important thing. Okay, before I tell you about this, let me tell you a small story. Guys, back in 2011, by the way, ये real story है मेरी बता रहा हूँ ठीक है guys. Back in 2011, I visited Denmark and Sweden. All right, I represented Indian junior handball team in Sweden and Denmark back in 2011. All right, so guys, when I started my journey, it was like it was in the month of June when I started my journey when I went Denmark. So guys, in Mumbai, it was like close to 35 degrees Celsius when I started my journey. When I reached Copenhagen, guys, it was literally raining outside the airport and the temperature was like close to 10 degrees Celsius. In Mumbai, it was 35 degrees Celsius and in Copenhagen, it was 10 degrees Celsius. In fact, it was raining outside. Why? Why the climate of India and the climate of Denmark was different? Any idea? Guys, there are two main reasons why the climate of these two countries was different. And the biggest reason was the location and the physiography. Guys, as we started ninth standard with the location of India, followed by physiography, drainage, and then climate. So try to understand all these factors affects the climate of any place. So the two biggest reason why the climate of India and why the climate of other countries is not same because the location and the physiography of each and every country is different. So these are the two major factors which influences the climate of any place. In this particular chapter, we are going to study all those factors which influences the climate of any place. All right, cool. All right. So guys, before we understand about the difference between climate and weather, guys, I want you guys to register to this IOQJS, Indian Olympiad Qualifier of Junior Science. Link is there in the description box. Registration is absolutely free. All right, and there are many benefits, advantages of taking this. Right? Make sure that after this video, go to the description box, check out the link, and register to this. Cool? Chalo. Guys, let's understand the difference between weather and climate. Now, guys, दोनों का एक छोटा सा difference, a basic difference between weather and climate. Weather is for short duration and climate is for a longer duration. All right, guys, weather refers to short term atmospheric conditions. And if we talk about climate, climate is basically a typical weather condition which prevails in a particular region for a longer duration, more than 30 years. So a typical weather condition which prevails in any region for more than 30 years, that is a climate. So climate is for longer duration and weather is for short duration, short term atmospheric conditions. Like let's take an example. Look outside your window. Let's take an example. It is sunny outside. Suddenly, after half an hour, it became cloudy. So climate change hua ya weather? Weather got changed. Are you understanding? So weather keeps on changing. Try to understand this. Short-term atmospheric conditions is weather. Simple as that. Guys, in this entire chapter, we are going to understand all these important concepts in detail. So make sure that you guys are with me throughout the session in each and every of my video. All right, cool. Now, guys, I'm very, very proud to tell you about our JEE Advanced results of October 2021. And guys, Vedantu students have actually created history. More than 1500 students got selected. They cleared JEE Advanced. All right. Guys, you will not believe that 6% of IIT's upcoming batch will be from Vedantu. Just imagine, guys. So from this, you can actually take an idea the quality of education we deliver over here. Guys, not only on our YouTube channel, but you guys can be a part of our Vedantu's Pro subscription as well. There are many, many advantages of taking our Pro subscription, guys. And this is the time, guys, you can take our Pro subscription. Why? Guys, because between 13th of November till 19th of November, guys, there is an Ed Fest. Abhi kya festival hai, guys? Try to understand. You take any of our course, you will get 50% off up to rupees 2000. Guys, this is the time you can take our courses. Now you will be like, sir, why we should take your courses? What is the difference between attending the sessions on your YouTube channel and taking your Pro subscription? There is a huge difference. First of all, every session over here is going to be a live session. Like, look at this session which you are watching right now. This is a recorded session or a live session? This is a recorded session. And you know the difference between attending a recorded session and a live session. In a live session, you actually interact with your teachers. There is an interaction between students and teachers. You can give me examples. You can ask me many questions. I can share many examples. Lots and lots of things. And guys, when you take our Pro subscription, you're actually competing with the students throughout the world. How? Because students in Vedantu are not only from different states of India, but they come from different countries as well. So just look at the competition you have. All the handwritten notes you can download. In Vedantu, we have two teacher pattern. Master teacher will clear all your concepts. Class teacher will clear all your doubts during the class. And not only this, if you come across any question after the class, from morning 8 a.m. to evening 11 p.m., you can ask questions. Just imagine, guys. Not only this, continuously tests are taken. Micro courses are just an amazing thing. Do you know what are micro courses? Let's take an example. You attended my session of climate. All right, you attended the entire session of climate. Now you wish to watch the recording. You can watch the recordings n number of times. How? I will guide you. But if you wish to attend a live session of climate once again, you can separately enroll to the micro course of climate. Do you need to pay extra for these micro courses? No. And these thousands of micro courses absolutely free for you. So guys, we have many plans. We have like term one plan. We have plans for the entire year as well. Are you guys getting it? So as you people are in 9th class, guys, so what you can do, guys, I'll quickly guide you. Okay. Guys, this is my coupon code AD Pro. All right. I'll quickly guide you guys what you can do. There go. This is one of my video on YouTube. What you guys can do, just go to the description box, go to show more. Like if you're planning for term one crash course, or if you're planning for entire year, I would like, my suggestion would be take for entire year. All right. देखो, right now you actually save rupees 2000, 50% off on all our plans. Do you know, guys, this is the fees for entire year. Now people try to understand the difference between Pro Lite, Pro Classic and Pro Plus. In Pro Lite, you will get all the advantages except Doubts app. Now what is Doubts app? Let's take an example. You come across any questions after the class from morning 8 a.m. to evening 11 p.m. You can ask those questions. And these questions you can ask if you take a Pro Classic subscription. And if you want a personal mentor, one-to-one attention, then you can take our Pro Plus subscription. Guys, the fees is for entire year, but this 50% off is only till 17th of this month. All right. So this is my coupon code, guys, which is already applied, AD Pro. All right. So this, if you apply, you will get flat 50% off. Guys, not only this, if you wish to try, you can try it for 15 days also for 600 rupees. That's it. 600 रुपए में you can try out all these advantages. What else you want? All right. You can take our EMI options as well. Many advantages. Take our Pro subscription. AD Pro, use this code and be a part of our Vedantu's Pro subscription. Guys, how you can see the replay? Let me guide you guys. There go. Guys, once you take our Pro subscription, you will come across such kind of dashboard. You just have to go to the past sessions, like just click on replay. You will be able to watch the replays.
Of Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. All right. Parliament exercises political authority on behalf of the people in many ways.
This is how you can watch the replays, and like this is how you guys can like just click on get notes and you will be able to download all these notes. There go. With quizzes, with explanation, everything, guys, you can download from here. So guys, if still you are not a part of our Vedantu's Pro subscription, this is the time. Take our Pro subscription, use my coupon code ADPRO and be a part of our long-term batches. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.